Hey everybody, this video we're going to sous vide cook some butcherbox frozen pork chops. These are like 1 3/4 inch thick. See, they are frozen here. So the first thing we're going to do is got to get them vacuum sealed. First thing, I'm going to take some, got some seasoning here. You can season it with whatever you want. And I just put it in the bag. And put our frozen pork chop in there. Hands off. And put some more seasoning in. Alright, and then like half a tablespoon of butter. Drop that in there. And we'll go ahead and just vacuum seal it. And while I'm doing all this here, I've got the sous vide bringing the water up to temperature. We're going to cook it 139 degrees for 2 hours because they're kind of thick and they are frozen. Go ahead and get the air out of it. Alright, so we got it vacuum sealed. That's what we get here with the butter in there, and it'll actually spread all around during the cooking process. And now we're just going to wait for our sous vide bath to hit the right temperature, and then we'll put the meat in there. Alright, that beep indicates that we are up to temperature. And we got the inkbird app here. You can actually control the sous vide with the app. And I'll put some Amazon links to the water bath here and then the circulator. And we've got our chops here still frozen. In the rack. And I always set something on top of it here just to keep it from floating. And go ahead and just put it in our water bath here. Put the lid on. And then we'll just leave it alone for the next 2 hours. And then after that, we'll cut it up and show you what we got. Alright, so our 2 hour cook time's done. So we'll just stop the circulator, plug it. And you can sear this if you want. If it's steak, I sear it every time. Pork chops. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm not going to this time. So we get our bag out here. And if I do sear them, I usually do it in butter, but so I do every time with steak. But I'm not gonna worry about it this time here. So we got them out. And remember, these were frozen when we started here, so you cut them open, and they get cooked. I mean, just about perfect here. And when I cook them like this, I normally will put some barbecue sauce on them to eat them, but you can season them more, sear them, you can do whatever you want. It's a very flexible, easy way to cook. It's pretty much idiot proof, which is really good for me. Alright, and just show you this other one over here. So that's how good it cooked there. So that's pretty much it. You know, sous vide pork chops from frozen to cooked. It's about 2.5 hours total time. It's just got to warm the bath up before you actually can put the meat in there to cook it. It's about 2.5 hours total, but it's very easy. And if you work late or something like that, they can cook longer. I've left them in there for 3-4 hours, and they're still fine when you get home. And so that's really all I got for this. Just remember, if you're gonna leave a comment, now you're never gonna be mean. At least be funny. And also, you can check out the Amazon links to the sous vide circulator and the water bath and everything. That'll be down in the comment section. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.